Did you ever need a quicker way to update values in your C++ program without writing extra lines of code? Well, today we are talking about assignment operators, the little shortcuts that make your code easier, cleaner, smaller, and way more efficient. Let's jump in and see how these operators can level up your coding game.
Assignment operators. Simple addition and subtraction assignments. Let's start with simple assignments. The assignment operator or is equal to sign is used to assign a value to a variable. Its syntax is variable name is equal to value and semicolon, which means whatever value we assigned at the right hand side of the assignment operator will be stored in the variable name. Second is addition assignment, which is denoted by plus is equal to symbols. The addition assignment operator plus is equal to adds a value to a variable and updates it immediately. Its syntax is variable name plus is equal to value and semicolon. So whatever value is already stored in variable name, the value that we give here after the plus is equal to symbol will be added to the existing value of the variable name, and it will be updated as the new value of the variable name. Next is subtraction assignment. It is denoted by minus is equal to. The subtraction assignment operator minus is equal to subtracts a value from a variable and updates it immediately. Syntax is variable name minus is equal to value and semicolon. So here what happens, variable name, this variable already has some value. Now from that value we will subtract the value which is given at the minus is equal to's right hand side, and then whatever will be the result from the value given at the right hand side subtracted from the existing value of the variable name will be updated as the new value of variable name. Now let's see how all these operations take place in C++ with the help of an example on the CodeChef platform. As you can see, the program objective is assignment operators, and the expected output of the program is final value :12. Coming to the code, hash include IOStream, then using namespace std, int main. Now inside int main we have initialized a variable int number is equal to 10 semicolon. So here we have used the first operator that we learned, that is simple assignment. Now number plus is equal to 5 semicolon. So what will happen here, whatever is the original value of the variable number, which is 10, 5 will be added to that value, and then the updated value, which is 10 plus 5, 15, will be stored as the new value of variable number. Then number minus is equal to 3 semicolon. Now again, what is the new value of variable number? 15. So from 15 we will subtract 3. 15 minus 3 is 12, and 12 will be updated as the latest value of variable number. Then cout in double inverted commas final value :, then the value of variable number. Here we will get the updated or the latest value of variable number, and endl semicolon. Then return 0 semicolon, and the main function ends here. Let us run the program to see the output. Final value :12. So 12 is exactly the same value that we calculated. This is how we use simple assignment, addition assignment, and subtraction assignment in C++. Multiplication, division, and modulus assignment operators in C++. These operators are compound assignment operators, which means they combine a basic arithmetic operation with assignment. So let's start with multiplication assignment, which is denoted by star and is equal to symbols. The star is equal to operator multiplies the current value of a variable by another value and then stores the result back into the same variable. It's a shortcut for variable is equal to variable into value. And as you can see, its syntax is variable star is equal to value semicolon. So what will happen? Whatever is the existing value of the variable which is there at the left hand side will be multiplied by the value which is given at the right hand side, and then the result of multiplication will be stored as the new value of the variable which is given at the left hand side. Next is division assignment, which is denoted by slash is equal to. The slash is equal to operator divides the current value of a variable by another value and updates the variable with the quotient. It is a shortcut for variable is equal to variable upon value or variable divided by value. As you can see, the syntax is variable slash is equal to value semicolon. So here, whatever is the existing value of the variable, it will be divided by the value given at the right hand side of the slash is equal to symbol, and whatever will be the quotient of the existing value of variable divided by the right hand side value given in the syntax will be stored as the latest value of the variable. Next is modulus assignment, which is denoted by percentage is equal to symbol. The percentage is equal to operator or modulus assignment operator calculates the remainder when a variable is divided by another value and stores that remainder back in the same variable. So it's a shortcut for variable is equal to variable modulus value. As you can see, its syntax is variable modulus assignment value and semicolon. So here, whatever is the existing value of the variable given at the left hand side, it will be divided by the value which is given at the right hand side of the modulus operator, and then whatever will be the remainder of that division, it will be stored as the updated or latest value of the variable which is there at the left hand side of the syntax. Now let's see how multiplication, division and modulus assignment operators work in C++ with the help of an example on the CodeChef platform. The program objective is again assignment operators. And what is the expected output? After multiplication :20, after division :5 and after modulus :2. Let's get on to the code. Hash include IOStream using namespace std, then int main. Now int main, we have this variable int number is equal to 10. So initially the value of the variable number is 10.
Then number star is equal to 2 semicolon, which means the existing value of variable number, that is 10, will be multiplied by 2. So 20, and the updated value of variable number is now 20. Then cout insertion operator in double inverted commas after multiplication : again insertion operator, then value of variable number which is now 20 will be printed, insertion operator endl and semicolon. Now number slash is equal to 4 semicolon. Now the value of number is 20, so 20 will be divided by 4 and its quotient will be 5. So 5 will be stored as the new value of variable number. Then cout insertion operator in double inverted commas after division : then again insertion operator. Now the new value of variable number, that is 5, and then endl semicolon. Now number modulus is equal to 3. So now what is the latest value of variable number? 5, and when we divide 5 by 3, the remainder will be 2. So 2 will be stored as the new value of variable number. Cout, then in double inverted commas, after modulus colon, then insertion operator, value of number will be printed, and then endl semicolon, return 0, and the main function ends here. Now let's run the program to see the output. Okay, after multiplication 20, after division 5, and after modulus 2. This is how we use compound assignment operators in C++. Chained assignments in C++. Chained assignments allow you to assign the same value to multiple variables in a single statement instead of writing separate lines for each variable. Let's have a look at the syntax. Variable 1 is equal to variable 2 is equal to variable 3 is equal to value and semicolon. So here the value of all the three variables, variable 1, variable 2 and variable 3 is same, which is equal to value, and that is why we have declared the value for all these three variables in a single statement using chained assignments. Now let's see how it works. So the rightmost variable, that is variable 3, is assigned the value first, and then the result of that assignment is propagated backward. That means to variable 2 and then variable 1, and all these variables end up with the same value. Now let's go to the CodeChef platform and see an example to learn how to use chained assignments in C++. So as you can see, the objective of this program is assigning the same initial salary. The expected output is employee 1 salary is $3,000, employee 2 salary colon $3,000, and employee 3 salary colon $3,000. Okay, now let's go on to the code. Hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon int main. Now inside main we have declared three variables, int employee 1, employee 2, employee 3 and semicolon. Now in this statement we are performing chained assignment. Employee 1 is equal to employee 2 is equal to employee 3 is equal to 3000 semicolon. So first this value 3000 will be assigned to variable employee 3 and then it will be propagated backward to employee 2 and lastly to employee 1. Alright, then cout insertion operator in double inverted commas employee 1 salary colon and dollar. Then we are going to print the value of variable employee 1, which is 3000. Then insertion operator and endl semicolon. Cout in double inverted commas employee 2 salary colon and dollar. Then value of variable employee 2 again endl. Then cout in double inverted commas employee 3 salary colon and then dollar. Then the value of variable employee 3 endl returns 0 and the main function ends here. Now let's run the program to see the output. Employee 1 salary colon $300, employee 2 salary colon $300 and employee 3 salary colon $300. So this is how we perform chained assignments in C++.
Now you know how to assign values efficiently using simple, compound and chained assignments. These operators may seem small, but they make your code cleaner, shorter and easier to understand. Don't forget to practice using these operators on the CodeChef platform. Thank you so much for watching.